Today, we're going to talk about the latest news in the world of technology. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co., TSMC, is reportedly in talks with Nvidia to produce the AI darlings Blackwell chips at the contract manufacturer's new plant in Arizona. TSMC is preparing to start producing the AI chips early next year. Those chips have been made in TSMC's plants in Taiwan. This is a big deal because it means that TSMC is expanding its operations to the United States, which could have significant implications for the global tech industry. The report said that even though the chips could be made in the US, they would still have to be sent back to Taiwan to be packaged. This is because the packaging process requires specialized equipment and expertise that is currently only available in Taiwan. The Biden administration earlier this year announced that TSMC would receive $6.6 billion in direct federal funding for the Arizona factory complex. This funding is part of the Biden administration's efforts to boost the domestic semiconductor industry and reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. TSMC is the world's largest contract chip maker and also counts Apple and Broadcom among its customers. The company's American depository receipts are little changed in pre-market trading but have nearly doubled this year. This is a testament to the company's growing influence in the global tech industry. In conclusion, the news that TSMC is in talks with Nvidia to produce the Blackwell chips at its new plant in Arizona is a significant development in the world of technology. It highlights the growing importance of the semiconductor industry and the efforts of companies like TSMC to expand their operations and meet growing demand. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news and trends. Thank you for watching.